Your pets matter, which is why we're joined by someone from University Veterinary Hospital every other week. Today I'm joined by Dr. Amanda Beck to talk about hospice care for the pet. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
This is such an interesting topic. A lot of people may not consider this for their pets. So what exactly is hospice care for your pets?
So as you imagine from people that have hospice care, this is a way to teach owners to have more care for their pet in their home environment without having to always bring them to the hospital.
Wow, how important is it to consider this for some pet parents? Are we talking just if your pet has like a chronic illness, or are we talking if your pet's older, perhaps, you know?
So that's a lot of the pets that we often think of for hospice care, but a lot of times it can even be a pet that is suffering from like an injury or something that needs a lot of recovery time. So a fracture or some kind of back injury or something, we can sometimes use it for that situation as well.
That's incredible. Now, one thing I think a lot of people may think of when they think hospice care is that you'd have to maybe take your pet and leave it somewhere, but that's not the case necessarily.
Correct. So a lot of hospice involves teaching owners how to become caretakers for their pet so that they don't always have to come into the clinic every single time they need a medication or possibly fluid administration, things like that. We can also teach them how to do some exercises, help their pet stay more mobile at home and things like that.
That is incredible. So you guys work with the families even.
Correct. Yes.
That's incredible. So what kinds of things should parents be thinking about when it comes to this then?
Sure. So we would just, anytime they have any interest in it or even questions about it, you know, it can bridge that gap between when we're kind of done with conventional therapy and then we need a step before the pet's, at the end of the pet's life. And there are many things that we can talk about to help them kind of bridge that gap.
I have two cats myself, and you do wonder what's going to happen once they get to a certain age. You wonder how to handle that. So this is a really great lesson to be learning right now.
Absolutely, and it's a newer area of veterinary medicine, and so it's great that they've kind of taken this and made it an area that people, both veterinarians and technicians, can become certified in.
Wow.
And actually learn a lot more about this.
Well, you've got a resource here at UVH. Thank you so much for being here this morning, Dr. Beck. And you're going to be able to find all this information on our website right after the show. That's arclatechshomepage.com. Stay with us, everybody. Josh back with a quick check of your forecast after the break.